In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure a Proforma invoice in Odoo 18 Sales. Whether you're new to Odoo or upgrading from a previous version, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the new features efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Odoo website. This is the central hub for accessing the powerful suite of tools that Odoo has to offer. Once there, you'll need to sign into your account. Look for the Sign In button, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on that, and then enter your login credentials in the fields provided. If you're having trouble signing in, double-check your email and password for any typos. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Odoo dashboard. This dashboard serves as your command center, giving you an overview and access to all the applications linked to your account. From here, locate and click on the Sales icon. This action will redirect you to the Sales application, where we'll handle all your sales-related tasks, including creating a Proforma invoice. Inside the Sales application, your next move is to click on Orders. This tab houses all sales-related documents, such as orders and quotations. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this section, as it's where you can keep track of your outgoing sales efforts. Once in the Orders interface, you'll want to click on Quotations. Quotations are preliminary sales offers that can be sent to prospective customers, and converting quotations into final invoices is a core functionality within Odoo. After entering the Quotations section, the next step is to create a new quotation by clicking on the New button. Doing so will open up a fresh quotation template. Here, input all necessary customer details, such as contact information and the specific products or services they're interested in purchasing. Remember to double-check all entries for accuracy, as these details will populate your final Proforma invoice. It's essential to note that Proforma invoices are essentially draft versions of a final invoice and are often used to declare the commitment to your customer, outlining projected order details before payment is made. With your new quotation template filled out, the Proforma invoice configuration is complete. At this point, review the information for any last-minute adjustments or confirmations before saving your work. In summary, by following these simple steps, you can efficiently configure a Proforma invoice in Odoo 18 Sales. It's all about signing in, navigating through your versatile dashboard, and utilizing the Sales application to manage your orders and quotations efficiently. With practice, this will become a seamless part of your business workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!